We are back. What is up, everybody? Okay, this is it. I told you, next time you see me make a video on this Suburban, we're gonna fix it. So, cross my fingers. I think I've got the right parts. So, I had these custom made. These are going to be my fittings. So I think I'm gonna have to rotate. This hydraulic just a little bit. So I'm gonna pull it because the hose might not fit. Actually, you know what? I don't know. I might not have to. Yeah, it might rub on that. It might rub on that spring, so I think I'm gonna rotate it out this way just a little bit so that it comes up, mounts to that. But we're gonna have to do some figuring because these hoses are pretty long. There's kind of zip tied up here, zip tied here, but I might have to it's pouring out liquid. Oh boy, I gotta clean that up. So, anyways, I'm gonna clean that up real quick before I melt this thing up. So, stay tuned, because I think we're getting this thing fixed today. I hope this will work. I had to have make a custom hose setup, so I think I'm gonna try to rotate this ram probably to about right there so that I'm not getting any bends touching anywhere. So I think we should be good. So I'm going to tighten that up right there and we should be good to go. Alright folks, so we're going to lift this thing up here. And we're going to try to bleed it out. Actually first I gotta jump up here and pop the hood. We're close. We're super close. All right, I got some power steering fluid. We're gonna add some more power steering fluid into here, and then we're gonna get in and we're gonna turn the wheels left to right, and kind of bleed the system out before we start it up. Apparently, that's what I've been told you should do. So, hey y'all, real quick, head on down, click the link below, buy something off of Amazon. I know you've been wanting something off of Amazon. Click the link, buy whatever you want. It doesn't have to be the item it takes you to, and get you some bucked up. Yeah, get you some energy, some supplements. Holy cow, I'm like so short. All right, so we've got some fluid in there. She is pretty much topped off. So we are going to come back underneath here and we're going to jack it up real quick, and then we're gonna turn the wheels back and forth, back and forth, and hopefully we don't got any leaks. So, guess I'll move all this stuff out of the way. We're going to try it. Here we go. All right, I'm just gonna take a peek at everything. Make sure it didn't come pouring out at the top. We're gonna do that several times. All right. Oh, okay. I see what we got here. All right. All right, real quick. I actually need to take off this track bar here. All right, so we're gonna jump up there. We're gonna check the fluid level, and then we're going to, I need to get a flashlight and get up on the ground, so hold on a sec. All right, so doing that, we used up pretty much all that fluid. I gotta re-top it off. This thing takes a lot, but I had it pretty much full, and then no engine start, just bleeding it out like that. So we're gonna fill it up again and try that again before we actually start it. All right, so we topped it up. She's not all the way full. She's about 3 inches down. I got this long neck though, so we're gonna try and do another steering on this thing, lock to lock, and see if we can't work some more air out of the system. Let's jump back up here and we will see where we are sitting. Hold on just a sec. I gotta grab my phone light here, and that took it down quite a ways. So we're gonna add some more, and then we're gonna do a startup. Turn the steering wheel. Turn the steering wheel to the right side really slowly. Folks, I got a few things to tidy up. I gotta if you remember a few videos back, if you've watched it, you probably didn't even watch it, go watch it. A few videos back, I still need to tighten the lug nuts. So when I had this in here, it was leaking out the top. Dang. Something's leaking. Ooh, it's coming out the top. I think I might have overfilled it. Looks like it's coming out the top there. So I'm gonna have to get a little bit of that oil out of there, power steering fluid out of there, because I believe she's full. So what do you do? I'm gonna take some out, clean this stuff up, drop it down, tighten the lug nuts, pump some tires up, and I'm gonna go take this little bad boy for a spin. I forgot one of the most important steps. I gotta bleed the brakes. Why? What? I forgot. Sorry, folks. Stay tuned, because in this video we're gonna drive it. But I'm gonna see if I can get some help. Or I might just do it tomorrow. I don't know. But I gotta do that before we go drive it. Right here!
I don't want to, I'm scared!
Yeah, right here!
She's scared and Monica's excited. Oh, you're missing a brake light. Good.